started taking the medicine last week Friday. His case was that he has cancer of the liver that has gotten to the gallbladder and then the kidney, some part of the kidney. And then the mother told me that when she gave him the medicines, that because the stomach was also swollen, and they told her that they transferred the case from general hospital to teaching hospital because they said the boy will not be able to survive beyond 2 days. To survive beyond 2 days. So she started giving the boy is a 23-year-old boy. She started giving him the medicines, and then on the day the treatment started, the soreness of the stomach started going down immediately.
Wow, I'm so happy for this testimony.
And then by the second day, so many other symptoms, that was last week Saturday, many other symptoms, they have been alleviated already. And then the mother man came to me yesterday. She was even praying for me, telling me that the stomach has gone down entirely, that even the boy checked a long distance, that he said that he wanted to test the strength, that he couldn't stand up before. He couldn't do anything before. They were carrying him around. So that yesterday he checked for a long distance, that everything is now becoming good. So what surprised me about the medicine is the last effect. I was thinking that it would be a gradual process on a daily basis, that the stomach would be going down gradually, that the symptoms would be disappearing gradually. But I was surprised by the rapid action of that of the medicine.
Wow.
So that is the testimony.
Thank you very much. So when you gave the mother to the boy, our natural medicine, they were so happy.
Yeah, the mother was so happy to the extent that she was praying for me seriously. To the extent that she was praying for me seriously.
And the doctor has already told the mother to be prepared that in 2 days' time the boy will die, right?
That the boy will not go beyond 2 days' time. That the boy will not go that the way he's seen it, the boy will not go beyond 2 days.
Hi. God is mighty.
That the way he's seen it, that they came late to the hospital.
God is powerful.
I've been in his body for a very long time.
God is powerful. God has proven them wrong. God of nature, we thank you. I really appreciate this testimony. God bless you.
Amen.
Thank you so much.